Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I will discuss next topic of Unit 3, controlling. Okay. As its name suggests, controlling means handling, to manage and to compare the actual performance with planned performance. Controlling is always means something you have planned and something is actual performance. You just have to compare and then control is output same as we thought, as we planned or not. Similarly written over here, once plans are in place, पहले आपने क्या करा planning. Yesterday I talked about planning, I told about planning. So once plans are in place, जब एक बार plans बन गए हैं, managers use them to control ongoing activities. Okay, when plans are ready, then managers use them to control ongoing activities by comparing. This is important, comparing the planned outcome with the actual results. Okay, thus plans are control tools of organization, of an organization, this corrected of an organization when discrepancies means any deviation, any differences, when discrepancies or deviations or differences between planned and actual performance are found, managers determine the reason for the variance. Variance means deviation or difference, means जब कोई difference दिख रहा है, whatever we planned and what is the actual performance, then manager must find the reason for that change. If the performance is better than planned, yes, it can be, your actual performance can be better, which you suppose, which you planned, then the plan may be modified. So आपको plan change करना पड़ेगा. A real time control system provides an instant feedback. Okay, always control system provides a feedback. Feedback means any response and an instantaneous corrective action. Instantaneous means fast, without any delay. Corrective action. Feedback always tells about instantaneous corrective action. So it tells what should we do in particular situation without any delay. Okay, it tells about any corrective action without any delay. A feed forward control mechanism gives an advance warning. Okay, control system which is more realistic, it always gives a feedback which tells advance warning that deviations, this word has come, deviation means differences, are likely to occur. Okay, always realistic mechanism of control tells that deviations are there, deviations are likely to occur, calling for a corrective action in time, which tells to take some corrective action. Simple, controlling means manage करना, नियंत्रण करना, handle करना. So you just have to compare. आप compare करते हो, is your actual performance and planned performance are same or there are differences or deviations. So if everything is same, there is no need of control. If some deviations are controlled, you need to have control. If plan, whatever you planned and actual performance is not matching, whatever you planned and actual performance both are not matching with each other, there can be two cases. Your actual performance can be better, your planned performance, in that case you will have to modify your plan. Similarly, your actual performance can be bad than your planned performance, so in that case you will have to take a strict action, you will have to make a strict control over the work, over the time. For that you must have a feedback. Okay, feedback system, control system must have feedback which tells you what to, which action, which corrective action should be taken. It's a warning signal. Okay, that's all about controlling in MIS. Okay, thank you for listening. Next time we'll discuss in other videos.